1950. I love my country and I love my country.
So good name?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shema from LK. Public days are very special day for our country. Let us love and respect our nation. Wish you all very happy Public Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
My name is Ariz. नफरत बुरी है न पालो उसे, दिलों में खलीशें निकालो उसे, ना आपका ना मेरा ना इसका ना उसका, सबका वतन है संभालो इसे.
Now we stand in Darul Arqam Preschool. I would like to inform nearest landmark Khwaja Police Store. So first of all, I would like to inform that tomorrow is 20th Republic Day. So first of all, very honor so all Indian country leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi. So one of the most everybody, everyone have to love him. So all Indian leaders are really proud of and really appreciate to have to get achieve. So 1947 we have to get a freedom for India. So really appreciate and really proud of to all Indian leaders. So let's talk about to small kids of Darul Arqam Preschool, the small kids, and let's talk about to know and know very well. So how to celebrate our school and how to preparation for the last 2 days there. Let's talk about. What's good name?
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nitya. I am from LKG. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On this day, our constitution came into force in 1950. I love my country and I love my country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
So good name?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shema from LKG. Republic Days are very special day for our country. Let us love and respect our nation. Wish you all very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Muhammad Shata from LKG. We celebrate the love for our country, the people who make it special. On this day, our country. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umayma Siddiqui. I am from LKG.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. I am from UKG. My name is Ariz. नफरत बुरी है न पालो उसे, दिलों में खलीशें निकालो उसे, ना आपका ना मेरा ना इसका ना उसका, सबका वतन है संभालो इसे.
And first of all, she is with me, Farid Fatma. Is the principal of Darul Arqam. Let's talk about to and know very well to how to the last 2 days how to will the preparation the last 2 days about the 26th January. Let's talk about you Farid Fatma. Introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Farheen Fatima, principal of Darul Arqam Preschool, Salud. As we know that today is asking me about the Republic Day, importance and why we are celebrating Republic Day. We are celebrating Republic Day because on this day our constitution came into force in 1950. That was the committee which framed the constitution and the important role played by the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar who framed the constitution. And we also remember the sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters. And we should respect them, we should always remember them, their sacrifices. We should also understand our responsibilities towards our country. What our responsibility, how we can make our country to proud and to reach at the top of the sky. We should work hard, and we know that these kids, especially the little an important role to build a strong country. So here in our school, that is a preschool for the kids aged between 3 to 6 years, and we are preparing them to build a strong nation that should be recognized by each and every one of our country as well as out of the country. They should, one day everyone will proud of our country and our people of the country.
Can you explain the shortly version? He is a genius guy. Mahatma Gandhi tells he is a good. In 1947 we get the freedom. So what about how to say that?
Gandhi ji is a very important role in becoming our country free from the British rule. He used the weapons like non-violence because he was believing that without using any weapons, without fighting with the Britishers, he will make our country free from the Britishers. And he played in becoming our country free from the British rules. An important, very important role.
So are you excited for the Republic Day?
Yes, we are very much excited for the Republic Day, as our children are also excited, and they are preparing, teachers and children are preparing a lot of things for tomorrow, and they have done different kind of activities in the school, like with the tricolor. They have prepared a caterpillar of tricolor, and they have prepared, LKG have prepared the flower of tricolor, UKG children have prepared the different colors of balloon with their tricolor. So they should, these activities conducted in my school to generate the awareness among the students to know about the importance of tricolor and to know about the colors in our national flag. And who has designed our national flag. Our children knows that person also, that Suraya Tayyab ji framed give the design to our national flag.
So how types the last 2 days? So how will preparation for your school for the Republic Day?
Yes, they are preparing for the Republic Day. They are doing hard work, like they are preparing for the dance practice. They are doing on patriotic song. They are preparing shairi as well. They are doing speeches also. They are preparing. They are preparing taranas as well. So there are many programs which my children are preparing with the help of their teachers. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Siddiqui CRS News Raebareli.
You can.
कर देंगे.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Nausheen Fatma. On behalf of Dev's family, I Nausheen Fatma would like to wish you a very happy Republic Day. As we all know, India celebrates Republic Day every year on the 26th of January from 1950, because at this day India was declared as a republic country, as well as Constitution of India came into force after independence of the long year of struggle. Today we are living in freedom without any pressure in the society. That credit goes to the brave soldiers and freedom fighters of India. So we must not forget their sacrifices, and we should be the responsible citizen of India. Before ending my speech, I would like to thank you all for giving me a chance to express my feelings about Republic Day. I am proud to be an Indian.